So after the fee video, I get a lot of queries from the student that, sir, why don't you explain the entire project life cycle, how it works? So in this particular session, we gonna understand the oil and gas facility project life cycle in just 7 minutes. See, imagine being handed a blank sheet and asked to design an entire oil refinery from the scratch. Where do you even begin? See, that's exactly what we'll demystify today. Welcome back to Civil Nirman, where we turn complex engineering problems into understandable knowledge. Whether you are a student, a fresher in structural engineering, or someone curious about real-world projects, this video will give you the roadmap of how massive oil and gas projects are actually planned and built, step by step. So let's get into it. So let's first understand how this works. So an oil and gas project facility typically goes into the 4 structured phases. So the first one is the business planning phase. Second one is the basic engineering conceptual phase. Third is the front end engineering design phase. For this particular, I have already made one video. You can check out the link in the description. The next phase is detail engineering and construction. And between each of these phases, there are gates, checkpoints where decisions are made whether to move forward, revise, or stop. So let's unpack these one by one with relatable examples. So the first one is the business planning phase. Let's say a company wants to set up an oil and gas processing plant. Before hiring engineers or buying land, they start with the business planning phase. What's the objective? To assess whether this idea even makes sense. Content. They do rough technical evaluations, check market demand, and create an estimated budget range. Next, deliverables. A report with functional requirement and economical evaluation is prepared. So think of this like deciding whether to build a high-rise and first checking the budget, soil, and the local regulations. So this part is usually done by the plant owner. If the idea seems profitable and feasible, it moves past the first gate to the next phase. Next phase is basic engineering or conceptual phase. See, now comes the basic engineering stage where the idea gets real. Objective, it confirms the technical feasibility, choose technology, identify the major risks. Content, see, engineers develop block diagrams, process layouts, and evaluate the multiple technical options. What are the deliverables? So in this particular, the primary layout, process flow diagrams, cost estimate roughly around plus or minus 30%, and the rough schedules are prepared. See, as a beginner, imagine you are now drawing the first sketch of the building with rough dimensions and the list of major materials and estimation. This work is done by an engineering company. Now, if the design looks promising, we cross the second gate. And then comes the feed, front-end engineering design. See, for this particular, I have already made one detailed video. You can check out the link in the description box. But for here part, I'll just give you a quick summary. See, its objective is to develop a more detailed design and refine cost estimates. Content. See, engineers now develop PNIDs, mechanical specifications, 3D models, and structural concepts. In this particular, what are the deliverables? See, roughly plus or minus 10% accurate cost estimation is performed, EPC tender documents are prepared, and then material requisition for long lead items. For example, as a structural engineer, this is where you will model steel structures, check load paths, and plan equipment supports. Still pre-construction, but very close to reality. And then the final phase comes as detail engineering and construction. See, this is where paper turns into buildings. Final phase means detail engineering and construction. See, structural engineers now produce shop drawings, foundation details, and their calculations and fabrication drawings and their details. Procurement teams order materials and contractors prepare for erection and commissioning. So imagine this like getting the approvals, pouring concrete, and raising columns. See, it's the real build phase. Coordination is key here, and all drawings must be exact while coordinating with each of the disciplines. So here is the quick recap. Business planning phase, is it worth doing? Basic engineering, what are we going to build? Feed, how exactly we will build it? And detail engineering, let's build it now. See, Each gate ensures only strong and well-evaluated ideas move forward, just like a multi-level filter. See, in upcoming videos, we'll deep dive into each phase with real-world structural drawings, software demos, and practical coordination tips from site. So, hit like, tap subscribe, and drop a comment with what phase you want explained first. This is Civil Nirman, simplifying the complex for future structural experts. See you in the next video.